Hello, I'm Chip Means. I'm at the ePocrates booth at HIMSS10. Today I'm going to speak with Jeffrey Rutledge, who's the Chief Medical Officer for Product Development and an emergency physician.
We now have the majority of the Epocritean users, physicians, using the iPhone. Overall, we have now 275,000 US physicians who are actively using the application, launching the application, updating it with the continuously updated prescription database that we have. The big announcement for the HIMSS conference this year, for the first time, we're announcing our commitment to creating a fully functioning electronic health record. We have committed to deploying this application before the end of the year. The application will leverage what our strengths in terms of understanding what physicians need at the point of care. Our application has a fully featured mobile running on the iPhone application that the docs can use in practice, and it's fully integrated with a comprehensive and fully featured electronic health record that runs on a web service on the desktop with a keyboard and mouse. The fully featured EMR is there and integrates with the handheld.
And so, are you developing the EHR as a proprietary solution that will integrate with the app, or is it going to be that the app will now have interfacing capabilities with other EMRs as well?
Our electronic health record is a standalone, comprehensive, fully featured application that physicians will use in their office. The application is aimed and targeted at the solo and small group practice segment. We think this is a terribly underserved segment. We think that the previous applications have been very complex, hard to implement, hard to support, and difficult to use.
Let's talk quickly about the iPad, because that's the new sort of hot tablet-sized technology, and everyone's wondering how it'll be used in the clinical setting. Can you give me a sense of what you may have planned for that, and how you're going to take advantage of the size and shape of that object?
I'm also very excited about the iPad. We've announced our commitment to developing fully featured applications on the iPad. The first step for us will be deploying our core reference application on the iPad, but we're very interested in how this will work in the office settings. I personally believe that the iPad will find great use and utility by physicians at the point of care. The iPad is a tablet that's kind of analogous to a patient chart, the clipboard, whereas the iPhone is sort of analogous to either the prescription pad that sits in the pocket or the Sanford guide that's in the other pocket, whereas the tablet is like the patient chart. And so the iPad will not be in our first release this year, but we will support the iPad as a platform for delivering the application in the office at the point of care. So you see we are supporting the core application across multiple platforms, from Android to the iPhone, the new release actually of our Palm Pre application. It runs on the original Trios, and of course we also support the BlackBerry. What's not shown here is the Windows Mobile, which is also supported.